Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix loud noise coming from a Frigidaire Galaxy Nugget ice maker.
Fix 1. Check the ice bin position. Step 1. Turn off the ice maker. Step 2. Remove the ice bin and empty it. Step 3. Reinsert the bin properly until it sits flat. Step 4. Turn the ice maker back on. Fix 2. Level the ice maker. Step 1. Place a level on top of the unit. Step 2. Adjust the front or rear feet. Step 3. Make sure the unit is perfectly level. Fix 3. Clear ice buildup. Step 1. Turn off and unplug the unit. Step 2. Remove excess or stuck ice. Step 3. Let the unit sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Step 4. Plug it back in and restart. Fix 4. Check the water supply line. Step 1. Inspect the water line at the back. Step 2. Straighten any kinks or bends. Step 3. Ensure the valve is fully open. Fix 5. Clean the ice maker. Step 1. Run the self-clean cycle if available. Step 2. Use approved ice maker cleaner. Step 3. Rinse and restart the unit. Fix 6. Reduce vibration noise. Step 1. Place a rubber mat under the ice maker. Step 2. Keep it away from walls or cabinets. Step 3. Ensure nothing is touching the sides.